Okay, today is Wednesday from 9 to 11. We talk about updated January 2019 updated purchase agreement. There's so many updates as we launch into this new year. There's so many new laws and updates. So today for 2 full hours we mastermind together. We're going through the residential purchase agreement and all the new updated from 2019 line by line, so we can serve the clients better. We have more competitive edge when we serve our clients, serve the consumers. Here at Titanium Real Estate Network, education is very, very critical. Part of our system is including Titanium University, which is a 24-hour, 7 days a week online platform that everybody in our team can engage. And then we also have a live events training like this 3 times in a week, every Tuesday from 12 to 2, Wednesday from 9 to 11 like today, and then Thursday from 10 to 12. Today mainly we focus on our 2019 purchase agreement. There's so many new updates. Everybody's very excited with all these updates here. We are one of the first real estate agents here in the area to launch these new updates. Okay, so overall it's been a great meeting. We are looking forward to serve you big. If you've never been to our real estate sales team, once again I'd like to send you an invitation to stop by so you can see the inner workings of our team. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159 again for a private backstage tour of our team, or if you want to eavesdrop in one of our live training events, I'm inviting you to call 626-789-0159 and we'll make you feel right at home.